We're going to look at some vertical, supplementary, and complementary angles. We've actually already looked at some supplementary angles, but let's look at what these angles we're talking about are. When we talk about vertical angles, let's look at, let's just say, a line, and this is line L. And then we have line M, okay? And then we have angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 3, angles 1 and 3, are vertical angles because they're created by intersecting lines. And they are created by rays, opposite rays, so they don't share sides. They do share an endpoint, notice, but their sides are not shared or anything of that nature. Now there is a theorem whenever you have two lines intersecting like this, that the vertical angles are congruent. So 1 and 3 would be the same measurement, and 2 and 4 would be the same measurement when we're talking about these vertical angles. Now again, supplementary angles are those that supplement each other. They add up to 180 degrees. They don't have to be adjacent, they can be. So I can have one angle here, an obtuse angle that is 140 degrees, and its supplementary angle would be a 40-degree angle. Now they can be adjacent angles, so I could have a straight angle that is cut, and this side could be 180 minus x degrees, and this side could be x degrees. I could have another straight angle where I have 30 degrees, and this side would be 150 degrees. I could have them all the way around, okay? So as long as these angles add up to 180, those are supplementary angles. Complementary angles only add up to 90. They complement each other, they make a right angle. So anything that makes a right angle, so something like this, because we can put a right angle in here, I could put an x degrees, this would be 90 minus x degrees. I could have something that is, say, 70 degrees and 20 degrees. Those two would be complementary of each other. I could have even something that is like cut in half, 45 degrees and 45 degrees. Those are complementary of each other. So supplementary adds up to 180. Complementary is going to add up to the 90 degrees.